Hi students, today we are going to solve about the problem based on the areas of the similar triangles. So here we go for the problem. Prove that ratio of the areas of two similar triangles are equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding median. So last exercise itself we have seen the problem which involves a median, right? The same we will use to prove the similarity. Then we will go for the area of the triangle. Since to prove the area of the triangles, we need to prove the both are similar, right? It is given the median, right? So let me take this triangle as an A, B, C, and P, Q, or the median be AD and PS, right? So here the name is not given, I consider myself, so let me write, let AD and PS are the median that I have chosen, medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively, right? And it is given the both are similar, the area of two similar triangles. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so which is given. So if it is given, we can say that angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R, and also the ratios. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, which is also is equal to AC by PR, right? So this is written from the given, right? Now we have to prove that this side with the medians are similar. We already know this side, and AB and PQ are the ratio. Then rest we have to prove this angle included are equal on this side. This we have already proved. You remember, I think, right? Since AD and PS are median, it will be equal, right? So BD is equal to DC is equal to 2 times BC, or half of BC, right? So BD is equal to half of BC. The same way we can say QS is equal to half of QR. QS is equal to half of QR since it's a median. So now we're comparing the triangle ABD and PQS. So this triangle ABD and PQS, the small triangle let's say. So in triangle ABD and triangle PQS, angle B is equal to angle Q, since it's already we know that given. Angle B is equal to angle Q. So let me choose it as an equation 1. So I can write here as from 1, and here we can say that we can take the ratios. AB by NPQ is that, and here BC we can write in the BD, and QR we can write in the QS. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. So next step I am going to rewrite the BC as an 2BD and QR as a 2QS. AB by PQ is equal to 2BD by 2QS. So this cancels. AB by BQ is equal to BD by QS, and angle including that side AB PQ BD QS, AB PQ BD QS, and angle including is also similar. So by SAS, by SAS similarity criterion, you can say the triangle ABD is similar to triangle A maps. A is corresponding to the side QP, right? And B is corresponding to the Q, and the rest is the yes, right? These two are similar. So for AB by PQ is equal to BD by QS is equal to AD by PS. So now here we have to prove that the square of ratios are corresponding to the median. So median square is also we have to prove that it's equal. Since we know that both the triangles have AB by PQ the whole square as the area of ratios for the area of the triangle, and here we have proved that median also AD by PS, right? So area of ABC by area of PQR, we know that AB by PQ the whole square, right? AB by PQ the whole square. Now we know that AB by PQ we can write in the AD by PS. Since we are choosing this, we are not choosing this because we have to prove about the median. Here AD and PS are the median, right? So AD by PS the whole square. So just remember this, and we can use this to the problem if they are giving in the 1 mark with involving the numbers, you can create, right? So since this problem will help to prove that median. Here we go for the next problem. Prove that area of equilateral triangle describes one side of the square is equal to half the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. So there is a square. So let me draw the square here. So we have to prove that equilateral triangle described on one side of the square. So let me choose, and here is an equilateral triangle. So square will be having an A on all the sides, right? So it's equilateral triangle. This side is also A, which is equal to half the area of equilateral triangle describes on the one of its diagonal. So let me choose the diagonal here. For this diagonal, one is one equilateral triangle. Since it will be not equal to this, right? Because here is A and here is A. By Pythagoras theorem, we have to find this. By Pythagoras theorem, we can find it as an A square root of 2, right? We can say this. Let me give the name as an E, B, C, D. Then we can say this is 90 degree, and hypotenuse is DB square is equal to A square plus A square, right? A square plus A square is equal to 2A square. So here is a DB square, and the dB is equal to square root of 2A square. For A square root will be cancelled. For 2 there will be there. So A square root of 2. That is what I written here. You know already these things. So these steps no need to involve here. Directly you can choose it. So here we named as a square. So let me give the name. Let A, B, C, D be a square with side I choose as a A. Since there is no side value is given, I am choosing as an A, and the diagonal I have chosen as a BD. It's equal to A square root of 2. I have given the proof here. You can include here if you need, otherwise we no need to include it here. So now we have to prove the area of this triangle to this triangle, right? So, and first before going to prove the area, we should prove this both are similar, right? So since both are equilateral triangles, angles are equal, we can say both are similar, right? Since triangle, let me name it as an ABE and DBF. Okay. Triangle ABE and triangle DBF are equilateral, so they are similar. We no need to prove that, we already know it, right? So now we have said it is a similar, so that we can go for proving that areas. So area of ABE divided by area of DBF is equal to, we can say it as an AB by DB be the whole square, right? So AB we can say it as an A. We have chosen AB as an A, and here is an A square root of root T. Whatever the side you choose, it will be A square root of root T, A square root of root 2. A square root of root 2, right? So AB we know that is a A, and DB is a square root of 2. the whole square. So anyhow the a cancel, the rest will be the 1 by square root of 2 the whole square. The same as square root of 2 will be the 2, and it will be getting a half, 1 by 2, right? So here we have area of ABE by area of DBF. So if you choose here, we will be getting the proof what we need. ABE is equal to half of area of DBF, right? So AB is the triangle which is formed by the side, and DBF is which is formed with the diagonals. It says the side of the square is equal to half of the triangle formed with the diagonals. Yes, this is the side and half of the diagonals we have proved. So here we go for the next problem. ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. There is a two triangle. The first triangle is an ABC. Next is the BDE. B is the point here, and D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint. That means it's equal half, right? So here the triangle is DBE. BDE. Let me consider here is the one triangle. Or both are equilateral triangle. So if we choose this as an A, and this full side is A, then this side will be the A by 2, right? Half of it. So this equilateral triangle will be the half of it. So since it is given as a median point, find the ratio of area of the triangle ABC and BDE. Since here is a and here is A by 2, we know that areas will be equal to the that ratios, right? So area of ABC by area of BDE is equal to, since we know that equilateral triangles are similar, we don't need to go further. It's just a one mark. Directly you can do that. AB by BD the whole square. AB is just an A, and BD is an A by 2, right? Whole square. So we will be getting an as an A will be cancelled, 1 divided by 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will be going to numerator. So whole square is there, so it will become a 2 by 1 the whole square, which is equal to 4 by 1. So our option is C. 4:1 is the right. So here we go for the next problem. Sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Sides is given in the ratio 4:9. That's the area of the triangles are in the ratio. So area. So sides is given as an let me consider as an AB by PQ, which is given as a 4 by 9. So what for area we will do? We will be doing the square of it, right? Then just find the square of it. It will be getting as a 16 by 81. Whether answer is that or very simplified? No, it's that. So 16:81 is the right options. Thank you.